Hello, we'll be looking at question 2A of WASSCE May June 2022 essay questions. It says, given that y was a closing parenthesis, PR over m minus p square r raised to power minus 3 over 2. First, we should make r a subject to the formula. Then find the value of r when y is minus 8, m is equal to 1, and p is equal to 3. So I've written that initial setup here. Let's proceed to solve this quickly. Now, we need to recognize that the way to clear this index here is to multiply it by its index. So multiply the indices on both sides by minus 2 over 3. Now the index of y here is 1, so that becomes y raised to the power 1 times minus 2 over 3. Okay, then this equals to what we have here, that is PR over m minus p square r over, okay, we don't have anything there, so we can enclose this raised to power minus 3 over 2 times minus 2 over 3. Okay, I think from here it's easy for us to catch up what is going on there. Very well. So this is what we'll do. These 2 here cancels this 3 cancels this. Then 2 here cancels 2, 3 cancels 3. Minus will make that positive. So this entire equation reduces to y raised to power minus 2 over 3 equals to, we have PR over m minus p square r. Of course, minus times minus will make the entire expression to the entire index to be positive. So everything here is raised to power 1 here. Okay, so let's see what we can do. On the right hand side, let's handle that y raised to power minus 2 over 3. The LCM here is m, so we need to write it out. M into m is 1 times PR gives us PR minus, of course we know there's 1 here, y into m is m times p square r will give us p square r m. Everything raised to power 1 doesn't change anything there. Okay, so that is what we have there. Now let's take a look at this. The next thing we will do here is to cross multiply this expression. If we cross multiply, trying to write out the steps so that it's easy to follow. We cross multiply, we're going to have y raised to power minus 2 over 3 times m equals to PR minus p square rm. Okay, I think we are doing this as neatly as possible. Very well. So this is what we're going to do here. We can see that our objective is to isolate r. Okay, so I can rewrite the entire expression then to be y raised to power minus 2 over 3 times n equals to, we factor out r, so r goes out into, so that is r goes into p minus p square m. So from here, we already have our expression. We divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of r here, which is p minus p squared. So without much ado, we can write our answer to be R is equals to y raised to power minus 2 over 3 times m everything divided by p minus p squared n. There are many ways we can actually write this. Okay, it's the same thing as writing to the m over, we bring down a y here, that is y raised to power 2 over 3. There you have p minus p squared n. Okay, so this is also an alternative way of expressing that. Now, we have done that. The A part of this question is answered. We have made R the subject of the formula. The next thing, which is the B part, is what is R when we have y is equals to minus 8, m is equals to 1, and p is equals to 3. So we substitute these values. So that will give us R equals to m. I'll be using this expression, 1 divided by y raised to power minus y raised to power 2 over 3. So that gives us minus 8 raised to power 2 over 3. Okay, open that bracket. So we have p is 3, so we substitute 3 for p, minus we have p squared, which is 3 squared. Okay, times m is 1, so that is times 1. So that is it. So what do we do here? So this is the same thing as saying equals to 1 divided by, okay, now we need to find the cube root of minus 8. Effectively asking us that what number can we multiply 3 times to get minus 8? That number is minus 2. So everything here, minus 8 raised to power 2 over 3 reduces to minus 2 as the cube root of minus 8 squared times, this is 3 minus 9. Okay, so we have this to be 1 over minus 2 squared is 4. That gives us 4 times 3 minus 9 is minus 6. So this gives us 1 over minus 24. So therefore, we see that R is minus 1 over 24. So this is the solution of number 2 the WASSCE May 2022 essay question. We've been able to make R the subject of the formula. We've also been able to find the value of R given these stated values. So this is a procedure. This is very clear and a fast way of solving this.